Hi, everyone. Thank you all for tuning in. My name is Kaylee Horn, and I am zooming in from Dr. Don Anderson's lab at Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution on Cape Cod, Massachusetts, the traditional lands of the Wampanoag people. Our lab studies harmful algal blooms, or what we call HABs. Now, marine and fresh waters are filled with microscopic algae, most of it beneficial and totally harmless. Yet there are some species of algae that can cause harm to ecosystems, animals, fisheries, or humans during their population spikes or blooms. In the Arctic, we study the population dynamics of two toxic marine harmful algal species, Alexandrium and Pseudonychia. Both of these species will be affected by changing climate. This research is critical for us to share with Arctic communities, and we have many projects with outreach and education efforts, a few of which I will highlight today. One of the ways that we study harmful algal blooms in the Arctic is through large research cruises on ships off the coast of Alaska. This summer, we will be embarking on one of these cruises in the Northern Bering and Chukchi Seas. After the cruise, we will be visiting communities to share what we learn. We are also working with the Polar Trek program, an organization that places STEM educators with polar science expeditions to promote science engagement and outreach. We plan to have an educator included as a part of our upcoming research team. They'll be able to share their research experiences directly with students during the cruise, and will be able to bring this experience and knowledge to the community, as well as into a workshop we have planned for 2023. Now, very briefly, we have been funded by the National Park Service to collaborate with educators in Alaska in development of a HAB-focused digital storytelling workshop. This will be run in 2023. Students will learn hands-on HAB sampling procedures in the waters of Beringia and will create digital narratives communicating their understanding of HAB issues, taking on a role as stewards of their coastline, and deciding what messages are important to share within their community. We are excited to pilot this workshop and to share its materials and curriculum more broadly with the Alaskan educational community. The last thing to share with you is our website, the National Office for Harmful Algal Blooms, which includes a resources for educators page. This is a collection of lesson plans that educators can use to teach about harmful algal blooms and other STEM topics. They cover a broad age range and can even be run in virtual classrooms or adapted to community outreach activities. If you have any questions regarding harmful algal blooms, our lab's research or outreach, check out our website listed here or feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much.